We stopped at the forest checkpost, Vattavada Gram Panchayat Winter Village. This route takes to Tamil Nadu and you will reach Kodaikanal. There is one route to the right side which will take you to Tamil Nadu border, and from there Kodaikanal as well. I guess it's 20 kilometers to reach Kodaikanal through that route, but that was closed like 20-30 years back itself because of some political or border issues or wildlife issues, because that will be like core forest area and they don't want to let people go through that route. Private vehicles and all, they will not allow us. On the left side takes you to Vattavada, and near the checkpost they'll inform you that till the next checkpost you should not stop in between the forest region and click pictures and all, because wildlife crossings are more often in this region. And look at this, you can see the intensity of the forest. And the checkpost opens from 6 AM to 6 PM, so in between those timings only you can cross. So if you are getting late than that, it's better you arrange a stay in Vattavada. There are a couple of tent camps and even stays, resorts. Couple of resorts are there, I guess, so you can stay there if you want to. Look at that view. National Park. Look at this, man. Even KSRTC bus service is there, so if you want to travel, then you can take that. This is less explored actually. People come to top station and return back. And see, this is what I said. These Nilgiri trees like drink out water like crazy. They slowly started cutting down these trees. Maybe in like coming years you will see that these will be totally gone. There might be different landscape during that time, but yeah, let's enjoy this. There is a campsite, Bovide Woods, which is maintained by Shaitan. Met him a couple of days back in his hostel. So once you reach Vattavada, from there it's a bit of off-roading where they'll take you in their jeep. So you have to park your vehicles. Bikes with good ground clearance can pass through, and jeeps can go, but normal cars and all will not go because it's fully off-roading to reach the campsite. I've seen the videos. This time I don't have I already booked the places and all, so I don't have time to explore that. If not, I would have stayed for 1 or 2 days over there as well. So look at this. I guess this is a check post. Yeah, this is one resort, Sahari Resorts or something. I heard this one is also good. So if you want, you can stay over there. They have rooms as well as tents. So it's up to you. The School of Dirt Off-Roading School, maintained by Osef Chaco and Rishi Plunge Adventures, is over here somewhere. I mean, in Vattavada. I don't know the exact location, but if you wanna learn some off-roading training and all, they'll give for 3 or 2 days. You can register for that and get trained. It will be like core off-roading. I saw their videos in trails. It will be like core off-roading. So just we are visiting a strawberry farm.
If I carry it home until 1 week.
1 week, I don't know. We can ask them. Let them pass.
If not, I'll just go courier it from Cochin. That's it.
That you can do.
It's better.
Wow. Look at this view. Wow. I mean view, I would say. Step farming.
It's amazing.
Like superb.
6 മാസം no problem.
അല്ല പുറത്ത് വെച്ചാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
ഒരു പുറത്ത് വെക്കാവുള്ളൂ. No freezer, no fridge.
Okay.
Nothing.
Should not keep in fridge. Should keep it outside. 6 months it will stay.
Only honey mixing. Only honey mixing. Honey and sugar mixing. Honey mixing on the freezer.
This is made because of with honey.
Okay.
So should not keep it in fridge.
Okay. No fridge. Okay.
And if passion fruit. We had a strawberry farm visit. No much strawberries in that. They already plucked them off. My friends took jam, strawberry jam. We'll go back, huh? Nothing is there.
What is there? Only the city, right?
I'll buy half kilo passion fruit. Passion fruit half kilo लेता हूँ. So we reached Vattavada. We didn't. I mean, there is one route, viewpoint, Parathotam and all. So we didn't go there. We started returning. Bought some strawberry jam and passion fruit. early mornings and evenings there will be fog, definitely, for sure. Oh. Look at that mountain range. I don't know if it is some stay or forest officials. We'll take one picture. We'll take one picture. In like
sudden shift
seconds, it started changing. Thank you. Look at this view, man. Like in just fraction of seconds the climate got changed. Fog started coming up. I was waiting for this. I was like, I came to Vattavada and I'm not seeing the fog. God blessed me. Whoa. We were just talking to that forest officials. They were asking about the bikes, where we are from and all those things. Suddenly like a smoke, it came off. Look at this. Whoa. While coming we were like, oh, we can't see anything over there. While coming we were like, it's sunny. Now it's like, oh God. We have anywhere. Chai and we'll have. We had tea. So going back to stays hostel. While coming it was clear, crystal clear. Now it is like, oh my goodness. ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയുണ്ട്, നന്ദി. हाँ नो विल गो देयर ना, वहाँ से और अच्छा आएगा.